welcome back to my channel. It's me, Myra, and today you already know what I'm gonna doing from the thumbnail and title. For the people that don't know what I'm doing, I'm gonna be making slime. Yes, slime. In my previous video, you guys gave me a really good response and I really liked that. And today I have a better slime. Only 3 ingredients, super easy and so good. You guys will love it. I just can't stop playing with it. To see more videos like this, you guys can like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever I make fun, cool, and exciting videos, you'll get notified. So go and see the video. Hello guys again. So you'll need a mixing tool, a container or a bowl, a stick to get the paint out, some paints, air freshener. Only Airwick works, so yeah. Glue, I'm using clear glue again, and a airtight container. So first get your bowl and pour some glue inside. I'm gonna put all of it. I'm gonna put it until it's empty. I'll just close the lid and put it away. Now we're just gonna put some paint so we can see it better. I'm using sky blue, more like a light blue. This is the color. Now I'll take my stick and use it to put my paint inside the glue. I think I'll need a bit more, so I'll just get a bit more. I think that is enough. Yeah, that's enough. Now we'll close the lid of the paint. Now we'll start mixing. Let's get my spoon and start mixing. Yeah guys, please subscribe and like my videos. Now we'll need air freshener. Only Airwick works. I tried with other fresheners. There's no one works. Only Airwick. See, it's getting thick enough. See how thick it is? I will add more until it's super thick like slime. It will be still sticky, so I'll put it in a airtight container and let it sit.